times and is the topic of headlines and news articles. So what's the problem? Well, a lot of the comments think it's all faked for attention. Quote, has nobody noticed that the image on the phone is not the bride and groom? This is photoshopped. This one says she photoshopped in an arm holding a phone to pretend there's a problem. Okay, is that true? Is the real story that a wedding photographer faked a photo to make a point? Let's verify. We ran the image through 4 reverse image searches. No results that weren't this story. That means these photos are original and not pulled from other sources. And tests of the pixels of the photo came back all clear. No photo editing. The pictures do look a little different, but it's not from editing, it's just how camera lenses work. On a DSLR like Stanley used, the focus is more pronounced. If you're focused on something far away, anything close up, like an arm and a phone, will be blurred, and vice versa. If you look at the iPhone, it does show the same scene, it's just a wider angle because an iPhone can't zoom in as far. Bottom line, we can verify these photos are real. We also checked with Hannah Stanley herself. She confirmed these photos were taken about 1 second apart, and she said she did not stage or Photoshop these photos. With your Verify, I'm Jason Puckett.
All right, we know our city is great, but if you need a reminder, here it is. Tonight, the Castles unveiled their new tennis stadium on the roof of the Union Market, and it's pretty cool. It seats 700 people, and some tennis legends will even make appearances there, including Venus Williams. All right, we got an update on that power outage in Northeast D.C. About 6,000 customers now don't have power. The cause is an equipment issue at a substation in Northeast. Crews are working to route the power from other substations to the customers in the dark. It's expected to be finished at about 1 o'clock in the morning. Tonight on The Late Show, one of the biggest names in comedy is sitting down.
Aren't I the biggest name in comedy?
No. I was thinking they were going to sit down with you. Apparently not.
Okay.
Hi.
I'm kind of funny once in a while.
Sometimes, yeah.
Funny looking. Hey, you know what? Full moon, technically not until tomorrow at 5:38 in the afternoon, but it's called the full buck moon. That's when the deer start growing their antlers. So that's pretty spectacular right now. All right, camp forecast. Here's the deal. A little bit more humid tomorrow, a little hotter, and there's a chance the campers return home. We could see a thunderstorm. 75 to start, 90 by midday. And then 92, the thunderstorm possible by 4 or 5 o'clock. And again, they'll be few and far between, but those that do develop could be rather hefty, okay? All right, let's talk about temperatures. On the bottom here, these are the surface temperatures we're forecasting. Nothing out of the ordinary. 93 tomorrow, 96 Wednesday. But you go back to 91 on Thursday because of clouds and some showers, courtesy of Barry. But then we go 98 on Friday and 99 on Sunday. So that's hot enough. Look at the heat index, 108 on Friday and 109 on Saturday. And that's actually dangerous. So you have to limit your time outdoors. You can become dehydrated. You can have a heat stroke in less than a half an hour. So that's serious stuff. This we can handle, although heat index around 100 on Wednesday and Thursday. Okay, so tomorrow and also Wednesday, a couple of storms are possible. Those that develop could be hefty. They will not affect everyone. We'll monitor tomorrow evening for a yellow weather alert because if they were to develop, they'd affect the evening commute. And then we get into Thursday, possible yellow weather alert, at this time probable. And then danger sheet Friday through next Monday, highs 95 to 100, but the heat index 100 to 110. We're going to see heat advisories and or heat warnings, it looks like, late this week into next week. So 6 o'clock in the morning, 60s in the burbs, but 70s downtown. By 9 o'clock, we're already 81. You know it's going to be hot when it's in the 80s by 9 o'clock. By lunchtime, 90. Couple of sprinkles here and there. And then by 5, 6 o'clock, there will be a couple of thunderstorms that will dot parts of the area. Again, that could be in Manassas. This storm could be over toward Bowie. But again, you'll see a little yellow, a little red, a little orange. So some of them could be rather hefty. I think the main threat will be heavy downpours, tropical downpours. And they kind of linger tomorrow night. We'll probably keep showers and storms in until about midnight tomorrow. So not right now, not a yellow weather alert for tomorrow or Wednesday, but we do have one for Thursday. So 93 tomorrow, 96 Wednesday, and 91 on Thursday. Again, that break in temperature on Thursday is just because of clouds and showers. Friday, boom, we're back in the upper 90s, near 100 on Saturday, near 100 on Sunday. Monday, an isolated storm possible, still in the upper 90s. Nats back in town. If we hit the century mark, it'll be the first time since August of 2016.
Okay, tonight on The Late Show, one of the biggest names in comedy is sitting down with Stephen Colbert. I'll let him tell you more.
Hey, join us tonight. I'll be talking to the lovely and talented Ricky Gervais. Ricky, do you have any questions for me?
No.
Yeah, all right, The Late Show is on right after us, but we still have a lot more to talk about, including